Hey, do you want some nice, awesome lights for your deck out here to light it up and to make this look awesome? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you, I bought some LED light strings here. They come in 24 feet. This is 24. They actually come in like 24, 36, 40. 24. They're actually a little bit shorter than 24. My deck is 16 and 12, which obviously that's not 24 feet, but it's going to be a little bit shorter than what I was hoping for. So today I'm going to show you how I put these up here and what they're going to look like at nighttime. I'll get a nighttime shot, and that way you can see how cool these lights look. And if you want to go get them, I'll put a link down in the bottom where you can get them at off of Amazon is where I actually got these at, and I will show you how they work. So they are they're 24 feet. They only pull 18 watts. They're super bright LEDs, and they hardly pull any power for this here. And they're very bright. And this here is almost like a glass, so it'll help illuminate that light out even more. And they are an LED, so if you can look down in there, you can see. Let's see if I can unscrew it's actually an LED bulb is what these are, and they just screw into the socket here, and that way you can actually replace one of them if they go bad. And so that's pretty cool. The other thing I'm going to do with this here is the power source I have for it is a solid power source. I don't have a way to flip it on and off. There is a switch at the end of it that we can turn on and off and do it, but I actually got this right here. It is a sensor, and in this sensor, it can do 4 hours and do the power, but I can also take it and have a remote, and I'm going to put the remote on the inside there, so I can even just turn them on and off just while I'm coming in and out. So I'm going to set this probably for 2 hours, so once the sunlight goes down, they'll come on for 2 hours, and they will stay on for 2 hours and then shut themselves off. And the reason why I'm doing that for is just so that way it's not like it's going to pull a lot of electricity. It's not going to cost nothing if you're worried about the cost. 18 watts is absolutely nothing to run for 2 hours. It would probably cost you $2 a month if you're lucky in electricity. So 18 watts is really nothing. So this is a pretty cool sensor. I'll link both of these down here. The sensor, the light, the whole 9 yards. So what I did do is I actually you can use different standoffs. This one was already here. This deck is old. It's going to be getting replaced here shortly in the near future. But I wanted to get up some lights out here for my deck. So what I did is I just cut some 2x4s. These are treated 36 inches, gets them up a little bit higher. And I just took 2 screws on the top of it. You can see it actually can come out of it. But I just wanted to make sure that way it don't fall on and off. And if I need to, I can take a zip tie and zip tie it right around there. And that way I did the same thing on all 4 posts. Like I say, you can get these in 24 different sections. They just plug right into each other. 24, I think they come in 36. I think I've seen 40. So they come in different sizes. And the thing about 24 feet, you got to also remember is that's going to be straight, tight, all, really tight. And if you just got a little bit of loop in here, it's going to knock that down just a little bit. So again, I just wanted to show you our lights. They are pretty bright. If you can see how bright they are, they will light this up really nice. It'll give us some light, but not be like, bam, all this light. Again, with the sensor, works pretty good. Turn them on and off, or I can turn it on to the sensor, and then they will turn off in 2 hours. But I just wanted to show you this and how cool these lights are. And they don't have the little filament looking thing in them. That is pretty cool. But for a nice looking Bristo light, they look pretty amazing and pretty awesome. And again, I'll see you in my next video.